the inconvenience, but they're still trying their hardest.
Is it coming out?
And I have to put this back on because it fell off and I heard the click. So
What is this?
yeah, I'm not gonna peek. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm pulling my hair.
Stop it! Ghost face. Where's the slime? This is my bowl. This is my bowl, right? I don't know. Is this your bowl or mine? Where's the stuff?
Don't mess with Ghostface's bowl.
I can hear your slime.
Oh, I heard that. Hey. Y'all hear that?
Yes, it's Ghostface. Stop it.
Hey. After we put in glitter glue, what do we do next?
We put in that thing, that big jug of color.
A big jug of what?
Ah! Activator. Whatever it is.
Oh.
Am I pouring it in? I hope I am.
Guys, if our video shuts off again, we're sorry for the inconvenience. It's just all of our phones can't do that much since I have so many screenshots on my phone. It's not very working right now. I think that should be enough.
Hey, Ghostface, what are you doing? Are you ruining my slime?
Here's our activator. Oh, wrong thing. I can feel that knife. That's shaving cream.
How do you know?
Because I can feel it.
Where's my bowl? I hope I'm not
I think
pouring.
I got it.
Hey!
Ghostface, I can hear you. What are you doing? Did you add activator?
Hey, where'd my top go?
Here.
I think it fell on the floor.
You want some?
Let me try to chip.
Here.
My top. I think my top fell on the floor, guys.
Here you go. Pour a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't you shake it. We need that.
Okay, I think I found it.
You poked me in my eyeball. Just pour some activator, okay?
Hey! My slime.
Bowl, activator.
What are you doing, Ghostface?
Just need a little bit.
Where's everything at?
Right here, Kiana, you want some activator? I'm holding it in the air for you.
No, I don't need it yet. I hope my slime down. I need some shaving cream.
It's not a drink.
What's this?
It's very bad for you.
Oh, what's this?
I'm not very sure about this.
Ghostface, what are you doing?
Kiana, after the activator, what we do next?
Need it. Just play with it. And I'll get
And then we're done?
Yeah.
Oh, then I want to add some shaving cream.
Am I pouring? I feel like it's not pouring. What are you doing? What is that?
Something about, woo!
Hey, what are you doing? Don't bite my fingers! Where's my slime?
What?
I don't know
I
what
feel
I'm
too.
doing. I want some
Hello?
stuff.
You're very close to my face. Perfect. I'm going to add both. I hope I don't get green because green's an ugly color to go with
I think
everything.
this is shaving